This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the DuckDuckGo web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I am on the DuckDuckGo web browser. To enable or disable dark mode, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Appearance and Language. And then on the center pane, right up here, your theme. Currently I have mine set to light theme, but then you have dark theme right here, or you could use whatever your system's theme is set to. I'm going to click on dark. And as you can see, it has went to dark theme. I'm going to open up a couple of web pages under dark theme, Google and YouTube. As you can see, it has went to dark theme. Now I'm going to click on light theme. Now it has went to a light theme. I'm going to refresh Google, and I'm going to refresh YouTube. Now both went to light theme. That is how to enable or disable dark mode in the DuckDuckGo web browser. Thanks for watching.